Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully lever the edge of the stone up from the front between the deck frame and the stone. Pull the refractory stone out, or remove the pieces if needed. Vacuum out any debris where the stone was. This will ensure that the replaced stone will sit flat. Slide the stone into the oven until the back of the stone reaches the back of the oven. Carefully lower the stone into place. If the stones shifted, push them towards each other to eliminate any gap between the stones.